The following example uses WordPress to explain how to integrate your Say Some Words video into your website. WordPress is a free content management system that allows the content of a website to be managed. I assume that you have already installed WordPress because it's mostly integrated by many website hosting providers when you register your domain. Log in with your credentials into the WordPress admin dashboard and decide on which websites your video avatar should appear. To integrate our widget code, you need a free plugin that you can find directly with the internal search. Enter Tracking Code Manager in the search field and install the plugin from IntelliWP. If you already have a similar plugin installed, you're also good to go. With the Tracking Code Manager, the free version has all features you require. Create a new tracking code and enter any name. In the tracking code form, our widget HTML code will be inserted by copy and paste. You can find this at any time in our dashboard in the submenu of each avatar under Widget Code. Copy the code to your clipboard and paste it into the Tracking Code Manager. For first test, simply insert the tracking code in the whole website and save your settings. If your video avatar is already showing up in your dashboard, it should be available on your website as well. Please note that converting the video after uploading, depending on its length, may take several hours before it's finally visible. Check the status on saysw.com/dashboard to see if your video avatar is ready. To show your Say Some Words video only on specific pages, go back to the Tracking Code Manager in your WordPress dashboard. You can find it in the Settings menu. Select Edit and change the name, for example, to Tracking on All Pages, as we will create a second tracking code in a minute. Remove the lower lines of the code that are commented out with the hint Video Widget. You can also remove the upper comments because you only need a line of code that begins with the angel bracket script. This should be included on all your web pages, even if you don't want to display your video avatar, because you can use the advanced tracking features. In this example, the tracking code will be included on all pages except for the Hello World page. On this page, tracking won't be possible. After saving, create a new second tracking code. This is the one that will display your video avatar. You remember, we just removed the lines of code in the other tracking code. Therefore, the second tracking code shall only be added to the pages where your Say Some Words video should appear. For a better overview, you can also remove all lines of code except the one that begins with angel bracket div. You recognize it by the ID of your video. In the tracking code settings below, you will specify where your avatar video appears. Save the settings and check on your website if everything is working properly. Another place to turn your video avatar on and off in WordPress is the editor of the page or blog post. Here you will find, mostly in the right sidebar, a checkbox of the Tracking Code Manager with the name of your choice. If you want to display your video avatar on this example page, you can uncheck the box without disabling tracking, which will help you later when analyzing your video conversion. For more information, visit saysw.com/support. If you request our support, please let us know the URL of the websites where your Say Some Words video should appear, and we will help you how to embed your widget code.